Welcome back to the Remodel Report, brought to you by USA Cabinet Store. I am Chris, and today we are tackling the one decision that makes or breaks a kitchen remodel: the cabinets. With me, as always, is our resident cabinet expert, Jessica. Jessica, why do cabinets matter this much?
Hey, Chris. So here's the thing. Cabinets are usually the single biggest line item in a kitchen, and they are the part you live with the longest. Get the box, the door, and the construction right, and everything else in the room has something to lean on. Get them wrong, and honestly, no countertop or backsplash is going to save the look.
No pressure then. Okay, let us start simple. When someone walks into a showroom, what are the actual options?
There are 4 ways cabinets are sold, and they trade price against flexibility. Ready to assemble, or RTA, ships flat, and is the fastest and cheapest way to get a quality box. Then stock, which is pre-built in fixed sizes. Then semi-custom, where you modify sizes and finishes, and that is where most remodels land. And finally, full custom, built to order for odd layouts or a real statement kitchen.
So, RTA on one end, custom on the other. But before you even pick a brand, you told me there is a bigger question people skip.
Yes, and this is the one I wish everybody knew. Framed versus frameless. A framed cabinet has a face frame on the front, which gives you rock-solid door alignment and lets you do inset and traditional looks. Frameless, also called full access or European, has no face frame, so you get a wider opening, more drawer space, and that clean, modern line. Want inset and traditional? Go framed. Want slab doors and maximum storage in a small kitchen? Go frameless.
Love it. Now, here's what I always wonder. 2 cabinets can look identical in the showroom. How do I know which one actually lasts?
You ask 2 questions. Is the box plywood, and are the drawer boxes dovetail? Plywood is strong, light, and it shrugs off moisture better than particle board. Dovetail joints interlock instead of relying on staples, so heavily loaded drawers stay square. That said, it is not only the material. Panel thickness, edge sealing, the glide rating, and the quality of the install all matter too. But if a salesperson dodges the box question, that tells you something.
Okay, let us talk style. What are people actually choosing in 2026?
The cold, all-gray, all-white kitchen is on its way out. The National Kitchen and Bath Association surveyed over 600 designers for their 2026 report. Neutrals still lead, but they are warm now. Think cream, taupe, and mushroom. Green is the standout accent color at 86%. Natural wood is surging, especially white oak. And 2-tone kitchens like a green or navy island against lighter cabinets are just normal now.
Warm and natural. I am here for it. Now, the question everybody's really thinking: what does this cost?
Fair. Nationally, cabinets can run anywhere from about $5,000 for a DIY stock job up past $40,000 for custom installed. At USA Cabinet Store, as installed projects, the value in stock lines land around $15,000 to $27,000. Semi-custom is roughly $40,000 to $78,000. And semi-custom to full custom runs about $78,000 up to $155,000 for large, high-end kitchens.
Okay, that is a real range. And speaking of money, we hear some horror stories from listeners about the buying process itself.
We do. And Reddit is full of them. The biggest one is high-pressure sales. Somebody gets quoted $38,000, then it magically drops to $24,000 if they sign today. The best advice I saw was simple. If you get a bad feeling, walk away. A real quote still makes sense tomorrow. The other big one is reface-vs-replace. Refacing keeps your boxes and swaps the doors, which is great if the boxes are solid. But if they are sagging particle board, you are just dressing up a failing frame.
So trust your gut and know what problem you are actually solving. Now, USA Cabinet Store does something a little different here, right?
Right. Most stores sell 1 or 2 brands and bend your kitchen to fit them. USA Cabinet Store carries 9 lines, everything from that locally stocked RTA up to German-engineered frameless. So a designer can price your exact kitchen across value, semi-custom, and custom in one sitting, and design, measure, and installation are part of the service. It means the cabinet fits the project, not the other way around.
That is the part I really like. Okay, Jessica, give me the takeaways. If someone is starting this week, what do they need to remember?
4 things. 1. Pick framed or frameless before you pick a brand. 2. Insist on a plywood box and dovetail drawers. 3. Chase warm color and texture over a trendy shade you will regret. And 4. Get it priced as an installed project, with modifications included, so you are comparing apples to apples.
Perfect. If you want the full written guide, it is on the USA Cabinet Store website, and you can book a free design consultation at any of their 14-plus showrooms across Virginia, Maryland, the Carolinas, Texas, and beyond. Jessica, thanks as always.
Anytime, Chris. Happy remodeling, everyone. Go build the kitchen you actually want.